Welcome to another NUCIDA video. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our certified QA experts will reply in time. Hi, in this NUCIDA video, I'm going to introduce TestRail, a powerful test management tool used by testers and developers all over the world to organize and manage their testing efforts more efficiently. By choosing TestRail, you unlock a key ingredient that will help you prepare your recipe for success. In this tutorial series, you'll learn the basics of TestRail, from documenting your test cases, plans, and runs to capturing real-time results and generating meaningful reports. If your team is new to TestRail, we highly recommend forwarding this training video to all your team members. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell to never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Alright, let's get started. Today, I will show you TestRail's new UX. Take a tour through the updates to TestRail's redesigned user experience. So, let's dive in. At first sight, TestRail streamlined the sidebar navigation. The navigation has moved to a left-hand sidebar, making it easier to switch between sections of TestRail. This new layout is designed to give users quicker access to different parts of the application with minimal effort. The sidebar's placement and structure improve visibility and accessibility, allowing users to move seamlessly between projects and tasks. Let's click on Acme Online Shop to look around and see how easily you can navigate through the updated interface. For most areas of the app, the sidebar contains three key components. 1. Navigation links. Direct access to various sections like test cases, test runs, and milestones. 2. Actions. Quick add options for creating new tests, runs, or other entities directly from the sidebar. 3. Additional information. Contextual details about the selected section or project, helping users quickly understand their current view. To navigate to your test case repository, simply click Test Cases in the sidebar. This intuitive organization helps users locate their desired sections efficiently without unnecessary clicks. Now, Quick Add Actions are available additionally. The new Quick Add Actions streamline workflows by enabling users to swiftly create or modify test elements. These actions reduce the time needed to perform repetitive tasks, allowing testers and managers to focus more on planning and analyzing their test strategies. Whether you are adding a new test case or updating a milestone, the Quick Add feature enhances productivity and user satisfaction. TestRail had redesigned the header bar. The header bar has been revamped to improve functionality and aesthetic appeal. It provides immediate access to frequently used tools and resources, such as search functions, user settings, and notifications. This redesign ensures that important features are only a click away, enhancing user efficiency and the overall experience. The modern look of the header bar aligns with the streamlined theme of the new UX, offering a cleaner and more organized workspace. Let's navigate within test entities. The controls for navigating within individual test entities, like test cases and milestones, have been updated as well. These controls now provide a more intuitive way to manage and access detailed information related to your test activities. To see additional information, such as associated tests and results or defects, select a Detail tab. Once you've finished reviewing that test case or any other stuff, you can find the items you're working on in the redesigned header bar. The header bar is conveniently located at the top of the interface, offering a centralized hub for quick access to essential tools and functions. This design improvement makes it easier for users to manage their tasks and access frequently used features without needing to navigate away from their current view. The key features in the header bar enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. 1. Working on. This section provides quick access to the items you are actively working on. You can easily switch between tasks and keep track of your progress across different projects. 2. Help menu. Access a comprehensive help menu that offers guidance and support. Whether you need assistance with specific features or general usage tips, the Help menu is your go-to resource for quick answers. 3. Personal settings. Quickly access and customize your personal settings. From updating your profile information to adjusting notification preferences, the Personal Settings menu ensures that you have control over your user experience. 4. Admin View. Link. If you have administrative privileges, a link to TestRail's Admin View is also available. This allows you to manage system settings, user permissions, and other administrative tasks directly from the header bar, creating new items just right away. The header bar also makes it easy to create new test elements. Add button. To create new test cases, test runs, test plans, and milestones, just click the Add button. This feature saves time and simplifies the process of adding new elements to your project. For example, if you want to add a new milestone, simply select Milestone from the drop-down menu after clicking Add. This intuitive process allows you to define important milestones and keep your project on track. Now, a more streamlined project navigation is available. 2 features streamline the project selection. 1. Project Selector. Quickly add a new project or navigate to a different one by clicking the current project name in the header bar. This brings up a list of available projects, allowing you to switch contexts with ease. 2. Project Search. You can add, search for, or select a project from the list. For instance, selecting Acme Online Shop Beta will instantly take you to that project's dashboard, where you can begin working on tasks specific to that project. Thanks for taking a tour of TestRail's new UX. We hope you find these updates enhance your productivity and improve your overall experience. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to refine and enhance our platform to better meet your needs. If you want to explore more about the upcoming TestRail enhancements, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you like it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell. Never forget our upcoming sessions. If you have any questions or hints, please leave a comment. Our ISTQB, ITK, X-Ray, and TestRail certified QA experts will reply in time or even produce a separate video about your topic. Please also check out our other over 200 videos about software quality. Happy testing. See you next time.